Well, at first I was dealing with headaches, and Dr. Margie had realized when I stepped on the scales that I was a little unbalanced. So then she took me in and gave me an x-ray and realized that I didn't have a full curve in my neck. That really was causing the headaches. Dr. Margie is really kind and really explains everything fully. Well, I find that I'm definitely more posture aware, and my feet feel so much better, especially since getting orthotics. I mean, I have to say, they relieve all the pain in your legs and your lower back. Very excited that since having a baby, I haven't had any problems with that, and I really haven't had any problems with my baby being too sick all the time or anything like that, because he gets checked out too.